Welcome to a new video. Oh my goodness, I am so freaking excited to start this series. I'm gonna start it off with a packing series because this time I'm doing carry-on only, which is so weird for me. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start packing and yeah, let's go. Okay, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm packing for Europe. Like, what? I can't believe I'm gonna be back there so soon. Y'all, this is where I'm at, literally right in the beginning. I got my laundry done. I am just pulling out things out of my wardrobe, my closet that I want to bring. But again, I'm just doing a carry-on, so we're really gonna have to limit this after I'm done doing the maybe piles. I'm starting to pack my toiletries. Since I'm packing carry-on, you have to make sure that your liquid is in a certain amount, in a certain bag, like size bag. That's what always turned me off about doing a carry-on is the liquids, but I'm just gonna do it. I think these are all my liquids, and it's similar to a size like this of the bag, so I just put it all in here, and hopefully everything goes well at the airport. Good morning. This is my second day of packing because I can't pack in one day. I'm doing my toiletries for a carry-on, which once I said in my last clip, like that's what turned me off from doing carry-ons, but I did it. So I put it all in this one really convenient plastic kind of big bag. And then at the airport, I'm gonna have to take out my liquids and put it into a small bag and make sure it's all within like the measurements and whatever that works on a plane. For my moisturizer, I put them in like these cute little things. I put my moisturizer, I have 2 of those. Hopefully that will be good enough for a month. And then everything I just made sure was like the size that you can bring onto a plane, which everything is. So that is my toiletry bag. Okay, we're almost done packing. I'm here with my baby girl. We got ice caps with an extra shot of espresso because it was very much needed this morning. Let me show you what I've done. Okay, so it's looking very organized, which I'm very pleased about. On this side, we have more like shoes. I have my raincoat, which is annoying to pack, but you just have to do it. Sunglasses, bathing suit, kind of underwear, a few clothes as well. And then this is mostly all my clothes. There's like a nice little pocket in here too for like jewelry and tampons and blah, blah, blah.
What a beautiful suitcase, Brooklyn.
Also, shout out to Renae Shaw for handing me this suitcase because she saved my life because I just wanted to do a carry-on this time, which I'm very excited for. Okay, and then of course I'm bringing my trusty bag like we always do. For some reason it fits the whole world in here, which I love. So I've got in here my computer, I've got like chargers, I have my toiletries actually in this one, and I showed you all my toiletries and stuff for the plane, water bottle, adapters in here, and then this can fit in here as well. I'm bringing like a purse because sometimes you just don't want to carry around a backpack or anything and like going out as well. So I have this purse, and then it can also shove in there too. All right. Honestly, did a great job. Don't even see me throwing clothes. Oh, look at me. I think this is gonna change my life doing the carry-on. We're ready. Okay, so I'm gonna close out this video. There wasn't much to it, but I hope it helped anyways. My biggest thing is, again, always in the toiletry thing, and it's really not that hard. So
getting those little like tube things is like really nice.
The silicone things like
save lives.
Saves lives. So definitely get those. The little like plastic containers for the moisturizer, like super good. And again, like I'm only going for a month, so a carry-on should honestly be all you need. And where I'm going to Europe, so it's like
you can just buy stuff.
You can just buy stuff, and it's so much cheaper if you're doing a flight like with Ryanair. They like to, I know, they like to add up so many things to your price tag. So if you have a carry-on, it's not gonna add up that much. So I'm really happy I'm doing this. And then it's honestly just so nice not to carry a bunch of stuff. And I feel like I have like more room than like ever before. Like I feel like I'm bringing everything I want and need. There's nothing else I even wanted to put in the suitcase, and I still have room in there. Any tips for carry-on?
No, I love bringing a carry-on.
Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I'm excited about the Europe series, excited about the Utah series. We love you.
Oh, we got the suitcase from Walmart.
Oh, right. We got the suitcase from Walmart. It's a 6 suitcase. Love you.